Today, in Nityananda TV News, Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda, Inner Awakening February 6th to 26th, Nitya Yoga Now, further clarification about Samya TV channel baseless allegations. Nityanandam, and welcome to Nityananda TV News 2014. Now for today's top stories. Morning Satsang with Paramahamsa Nityananda.
Travel in your life also with the possibility in your heart. You will see, one, every step does not tires you, it adds to more and more excitement. See, when you walk with impossibility, every step adds anxiety, not excitement. When you walk with possibility, every step adds excitement. And when you reach the goal, you won't even feel tired that you did so much. Because when you are walking, you did not feel tired. See, when you are walking, if you did not feel tired, after reaching, you will not have the tiredness memory. But with the idea of impossibility, while you are walking, it will be tired, you may not reach. By mistake, if you reach, it will give you the idea of, oh, so much difficulty. I tell you, I don't feel at all I have struggled to do anything in my life. They may be thinking, I'm giving too much importance to them in my inner space. When they look there and they find they are not even there, they will really be upset. Do not fight with a man who don't have vengeance. Understand? This is a secret of life.
Inner Awakening February 6th to 26th. The awakening of the Kundalini energy by the power of initiation by a rare living incarnation in just 21 days gives you access to a whole new realm of living. The program works on all the basic dimensions of your life, allowing you to experience deep healing at the physical, mental, and emotional levels. You gain a state of deep inner peace coupled with tremendous productivity and creativity. Becoming constantly aware of every moment provides you with astonishing clarity to fully live the life you love. Nitya Yoga Now. Further clarification about Samya TV channel baseless allegations. With regard to recent baseless and malicious allegations against Paramahamsa Nityananda and Hotel Sarovar, the following clarifications were aired live internationally.
One local channel in Karnataka, nobody knows the name of that channel. It's not seen by people. I think its name is Samaya. Very few people know the name of the channel. But just to get TRP, they started spreading lies, saying that I've instructed this hotel not to allow any people from Karnataka to stay here. It's a complete lie. It's a false statement. And I wanted to make it very clear to the people of Karnataka. I love Karnataka and I love people of Karnataka. Neither me nor my representatives made any of these kind of statements like don't allow Karnataka people to in this hotel to stay and all. We never made any statement to the hotel in any form. Today the hotel itself is releasing official press statement that they never received any of this kind of instruction from Swamiji or Swamiji's representatives. And we have also sent a letter to Chief Minister to explaining the truth, and we have also sent a request to Chief Minister to save us from this kind of abusal, spreading lies, rumors. It's actually a typical case how small time channels which does not have any TRP, just to get TRP, create lies, rumors and abuse. So today we are also sending the press release by the hotel officially and the letter to Chief Minister from the hotel officially to Karnataka Chief Minister that whatever Samaya TV is telling is a lie and it's a rumor just to abuse us, keep us in the fear mode. All they are trying to do is that only. Constantly trying to keep us in the fear mode, crisis mode, so that we will be running around fighting the fire. We will not be able to do any good spiritual work. That is their motto. That is their motive. But we will do our spiritual work. So we made it very clear. We don't have any barriers based on religion, language, nothing. We are open to all human beings. We are open to everyone.
Morning, everyone. It's very disheartening to know the statement which is made by some channels in Karnataka, which is Samaya TV, I believe. But let me put in this way that what I came to know was since there has been a program on local Kannada channel, which is Samaya TV, I came to know, saying that Nityanand Swamiji made a statement against Kannadigas, saying Kannadigas should not be given an accommodation at Ambrosia Sarva Portico Hotel, Haridwar. Let me tell you, Swamiji also staying and guest, and we are very proud to have a Swamiji in our hotel. And we also welcome whoever comes and stays in our hotel. There is no foundation, there is no such a religion, stopism or kind of thing. We welcome everyone to stay in our hotel because everybody is guest for me. And as a guest, everybody is my God because they are paying the salary of my people. They are paying the food for my people, and our parents, our families, and everybody is staying dependent on our salary. So we do not stop anyone to come and stay in a hotel. I personally, as a general manager of this hotel, Brajesh Gupta, would like to state that the channel is making, if the channel is making such a statement, which is very wrong and very disheartening. No such a statement have been made either by Swamiji or any of his representatives to the hotel. His program and satsang have been open for all. And I can see local people also coming and calling, and they are attending the program. So there is no foundation, there is no boundaries for anyone. We are not stopping anyone, neither hotel nor satsang people. And I have had the good fortune to attending few satsang personally and felt greatly enriched. Very honest. In fact, some of my colleagues are very, very enlightened, you can say. They are very feeling very comfortable, you can say. Especially a couple of my HODs are also part of everyday satsang, which is morning 7 to 8. It's our pleasure to host Swamiji and have such a world-class spiritual program in our premises, so that the spirituality in the premises again brings the goodness of this hotel, the good future for this hotel, and for the people of Haridwar and the place of the Haridwar. Swamiji and his message is all inclusive and welcoming, uniting everyone. It is not that dividing and...
That's all for Nityananda TV News for now. Thank you for joining us, and let us end our news with a bliss dose from the Avatar. The only thing that needs to be practiced is completion, getting back to your natural state. We'll see you next time on Nityananda TV News. Nityanandam.